on the bri deck, stoop chilling. That raindrops called the staircase to heaven. Ling has got a fire starter survival kit which she wants to show us. She's going to use that to light those jobbies. It might not.
No, I'll need to put some break this up a little bit first to be able to do it.
Yeah, okay.
I can start this up, but I can.
Wait, it could work. Wow, look at that, eh? No,
You're gonna have to put a little bit of flint under it first. Sorry, not flint, but break up some of this little woods to get it.
Yeah, here's a nice dry piece here that you can take on top here. Or that, yeah, okay, let's see how that works. Don't you like the resilience of the Canadians? I think it's wonderful. I wonder if we have things like that. Maybe we should get a bit of some paper as well.
Yeah. Usually I use just a little bit of dry stuff like this. Make a little bit enough.
Does it feel dry enough? Because the weather's
This is very dry. But the question is, will it hold enough or do I need a piece of paper to get it started here? Oops. Let's see if I can with this little bit. No, I think I'm going to need a little bit of paper. Cheat a little bit more.
Yeah, cheat a little bit more.
Because I can break up some of this and make it a lot easier.
Let me see if I can go and get some paper. Will that paper work there, Ling? This pamphlet. See the...
no, but I'm saving those.
Okay.
That's mine.
Okay. Isn't that spectacular? Look at the, right at the back. You might not be able to see it. The shiny bits on the side of the mountain is the wet rock from the storm. There's some big thunder earlier. We could wait a little while longer for this to happen. I could light it and then tell her it worked, but I won't. I'll behave myself. Let's see where she is. She's feeling rushed. This is the spot we're staying in. I'll leave the address anonymous, but it's beautiful. It's a nice fireplace. There's the doggies. That guy's a rescue over there. He's doesn't like loud noises. Loves that log so much. I'm sure he's eaten a couple already. He's chewed them so much. And obviously this is the front garden. The house from behind me looks like that there. There's an upstairs deck area there. That's where I'm staying at the top. Taz is over there, and Ling is in that one there. Okay, here we go. Yeah, man,
You're putting the pressure on me.
Telling them some cool stories here. And we want to see this, man. You are worth every bit of fire-starting news.
Let's see.
For all the survivalists out there.
I'll put some flint on it so that it catches.
Okay. How long does that flint thing last you?
Oh, this is like 10,000 strikes or something like that.
Is that so? Wow.
Yeah, so this will do quite a few fires. If I can get her to light. No. Let's put some down first.
Looks like it could... Oh, it's taking.
No, not fast enough. Oops. Ah, dropped it all. Give me 1 second. I have to rebuild this.
You're being mean about me, sweetie.
Because you're putting the pressure on watching me here.
You're being nasty.
That's okay. It's only a 5-minute long video, so
Yeah. No, my friends back home are going to make fun. Wow. I'm not letting it fall accurately in this little cage here.
why don't you try that? Well, that looked like it never worked. Why don't you try the front? See that groovy part? It's got that there.
This, that's a...
This one at the top. Yeah.
Yeah, and that's just slides. I don't have enough strength to do that.
Okay,
I gotta crush it on. I just need to put some flint in the second here. Without lighting it by accident.
Yeah.
Oh, come on now. Oh, I burned through right it.
All right, guys. Well, that's your survival lesson. Let's make it easier. Why don't you try that?
Oh, you're no fun.
Go. I'm gonna watch you.
No, stop watching me. Go watch something else, and I'll get it started.
Okay. We're gonna take the pressure off Ling
Okay.
and just stand here and
Stand there and just
check out. All right, guys. We'll get back to it once the fire's going. I will bring you in on the success story. Keep rolling. Don't just like us. Don't just share us. Roll with us.
Trees blow the leaves, so things change. Let's be the spark. Let's light the flame. Yeah. RollingStoner, never